Want to use Chat GPT instead of Siri on your iPhone? Try this out. First, make sure you have the official Chat GPT app installed on your iPhone. Now, open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus button to create a new shortcut. Now, search for Chat GPT. Select the action called Voice Mode and give it a name like Chat GPT Voice. Save the shortcut. If you have an iPhone with an action button, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Action button. Swipe until you find a shortcut and click on Choose Shortcut. Select the Chat GPT voice shortcut you just created. Now, whenever you press and hold the action button, Chat GPT voice opens instantly, instead of Siri. If your iPhone doesn't have an action button, or you want more options, long press on the shortcut and tap on the share icon. Now, add the shortcut to your home screen, or go to the lock screen. Long press on it. Tap on Customize. Now, select Add Widget. Scroll down and choose the shortcut. Tap on it to add a widget. Now, set the Chat GPT voice as the default shortcut. This gives you one-tap access to Chat GPT voice. And that's it. For more iPhone tips, subscribe.